I'm recording this session on my side, and after the session, I send it to you. Okay. Okay, let's continue, guys. What we discussed in previous session. Let me open a text file. We completed our session, these topics. Actually, we completed these topics. Right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Let's focus on the next topic. And the topic is what? Actually, we have 3 topics here. Chapter number 5, 6, 7. Okay. These 3 topics are related with a topic which is called security profiles. Security profiles. Same word you can get in Palo Alto Firewall. Same word, okay, security profiles. In Palo Alto Firewall, we can create web filter profile. In Palo Alto, it's called URL filtering. Okay, don't be confused. Application control, yes, same profile, same security profile we can create in Palo Alto Firewall also. It's called app ID. And yes, antivirus profile, same we have in Palo Alto. So the topic is same, in Fortinet or in Palo Alto. So what is called these options? Web filter, application control, antivirus. Guys, we are on same page. I think we completed these topics. We are trying to start these topics, right? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
Okay.
Sir, sorry, sir. When we can have set up our lab because we need to do practice.
What you want to set up your lab?
Yeah.
Khalil, did you set up your lab? Prashad?
No, really, I'm still having
No, sir.
issue.
Okay, Prashad,
I'm
you?
waiting. No, I'm waiting for Edna, sir, that day. Give me connection, I will set the lab. That is the reason I'm waiting, sir.
Okay. No problem, guys. It's Abdullah, right? Abdullah?
Yes. Yeah.
Did you download all the tools and software which I shared?
Yeah, I've downloaded. Yeah.
It is on
If you
this
have
laptop.
time,
It
we
is on
can do
this
it after
laptop.
lecture.
It is on
Sorry?
this laptop.
Yeah.
Okay. So wait. Can you share the screen? Now you can start share.
Okay. I'm sorry, wait.
Can you please open the folder?
Hold on. I have downloaded days ago. Sorry. Just give me a minute.
No problem.
Well, what's the reason when I'm trying to show up?
No problem. Take your time.
It's very weak. When I try to open the folder, it gives me disappeared. Okay, sorry, sir. Can we continue the lecture until I'm finding? Or by the end of the lecture, I can. Okay.
Stop share screen. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Try to find out. Then we can set up tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. No problem. Okay. Let's continue, guys. Khalil, Sanjay, Prashad.
Yes, sir.
Abdullah. Okay.
Sir, excuse me, sir. I will share my screen, sir. Can you set up now, sir?
Sure. It's Khalil, right?
No, Lakshmi.
Yes, sir.
Prasad.
Prashad. Please share your screen.
Khalil as well.
Okay.
Same issue.
I'm trying to set up lab on Prashad. Okay, guys. Can you show me the folder?
I installed VMware Workstation.
Okay. Please open this folder. And wait. Can you please allow my remote control request? Thank you. Okay, so you have GNS3. GNS3, okay, you don't have, no problem.
No.
Let's install GNS3 application first. So, Khalil, this
Yes.
step will help you, okay, to set up your lab. Same configuration, you can do this. And Abdullah,
Yeah, okay.
okay. So first you need to install GNS3 application, VMware Workstation. This option you need to choose. Install. Wait. It will take hardly 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes to set up your lab. If
Okay.
everything is good. You have 8 GB RAM or 12 GB RAM? Prashad,
8 GB, sir.
8 GB, okay. It's enough, no problem. Sanjay, your lab setup is working, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, once you install your GNS3 application, can you hear me, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The next option is, next step is what? You need to install VMware Workstation. So I think you have VMware Workstation. Let me verify this. It is it's a 14. Perfect, no problem. So now you need to install VMware Workstation. You have in your folder. You can verify, guys. You have VMware Workstation 14 and the key file. You have both. So once you install VMware Workstation, so you need to open this application. You need to click on File. You need to click on Open. Now you need to define the location of this folder. Here we need to add this GNS3 OVF file. GNS3 VM, open. Okay, you can click on import. Same steps you can use, guys. Okay, if you are trying to set up your lab, same step. First, you install GNS3 application, then VMware Workstation, and in VMware application you need to import your GNS3 VM OVF file. Now you can click on edit virtual machine. You can increase your RAM. So you have 8 GB. So you can assign here approx 7 GB. Okay, and LAN card, you have two LAN cards. First, you need to use your VMNet one, and second one is VMNet 8. Click on OK. Now you can power on this virtual machine. No enough memory, so let's decrease the RAM. 6 GB.
I think it's 4 GB, sir.
I think you have 4 GB.
Yes, yes.
Oh, you need to upgrade your RAM. Okay.
Sir, okay.
Let me verify. You have. Wait.
Yes.
You have Core i3, okay, 7th generation. So
Yes,
you can
sir.
upgrade with 8 GB more, okay? So it's a 12 GB.
Yes.
Try to upgrade, otherwise you will face problem.
Okay.
So right now let's use 4 GB. You can power on this virtual machine. Once it start, it will get IP address. I will show you the IP address information. Let me open command prompt. Here you can type ncpa.cpl, guys. ncpa.cpl for your LAN card information. So you have two LAN card, VMNet 1 and VMNet 8. Right click on this VMNet 1, go to properties, Internet Protocol TCP/IP version 4 properties. You need to use Octane option, Octane automatically. Click on OK. Now VMNet 8, right click properties, Internet Protocol TCP/IP version 4 properties.
చెప్పొద్దు అని అన్నాడు కదా నేను చెప్పను.
Now you can verify the IP address here. ipconfig. ipconfig. So you can verify here on VMNet 1 you have 192.168.131 series, 139 series. On VMNet 8 you have 192.168.88. Here what you have 192.168.88 series. So you need to start it. Okay, we need to start this GNS3 VM. Minimize this application. Now you can open your GNS3 application. Now here, once you open your GNS3 application, guys, you need to click on edit, go to preferences, click on server, then here you can in host binding option, you can see you have LAN card information. See 192.168.80 series and 192.168.139. So what we have 18. See, you can verify the IP address. This series of IP address we are using 192.168.88. So I'm trying to select same series of LAN card. You can apply, you can click on apply, and you can click on OK. Wait guys, it will take time. Now, wait guys, it's taking too much time. Okay, let's click on GNS3 VM option. And here you need to select enable GNS3 VM, this checkbox. Now you can click on OK, apply, you can click on OK. Just close this application, GNS3. Trying to shut down power of this machine, this GNS3. And now you can close. Okay, GNS3 application is now closed now. So first you need to start your GNS3 VM, power on this. Minimize this application. Now you can open your GNS3. Now wait, it will try to connect. You can open your application and wait. See, it's trying to connect. with your GNS3. Now, once it is trying to connect, you can get two options here. The first one is GNS3 VM, the second is your local machine. So it's down now because, see, it's a start. It will take time to connect. Now it's green. Now you can click on OK. Can you hear me, Prashad, Abdullah,
Yes, sir.
Khalil,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sanjay?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Okay. So now the next option is what? Next, where is the folder, Prashad? Can you please open folder again? Okay. Thank you. So here, what in GNS3? In GNS3, guys, you have 48 image here. 48 image. So you need to right click and extract this image. So this is your 48 image. Now you can go on GNS3. Here you need to click on devices. You do not have any 48 firewall image. You need to click on new template. Install an appliance from GNS3 server. You can click on next. Now, which device you want to install here? Like firewall, router, switches. You can expand firewall option. Here you can get 48 image. 48. You can click on install. Install this appliance in GNS3 VM. Click on next. Click on next. Now here what? You need to select first this option. Allow custom file. Click on yes. And now you can create a new version. Here you can give any name of a file like 14.8.6.2, just a name. You can click on OK. Now you can scroll down and here you can get your image name 48.6.2. So now you are getting a message here what? Two files are missing, F48 and empty 30g.qcow2. This file is missing. So first you need to click on here, this one. Okay, you need to import it, but you don't have the file. You don't have file. So that's why you need to click on in any version. You need to click on this empty 30g qcow2. Once you click here, you can get download button. You can click on download. So it will redirect the URL. On URL where you can download, it will automatically download. No need to download, it's automatically. See, the download will start shortly. It will automatically download and attached with your GNS3. You can download anywhere. You can click on save. Okay, now close this, minimize this. Now here cancel. Again click on new template. Install appliance. Click on next. Here you need to select your firewall image. Which firewall? 48. Click on install. This option install appliance on GNS3 VM. Click on next. Click on next. Now you can verify that what? Now, okay, let's select this box again. Allow custom file. Create a folder again. 14.8.6.2 or 6.4, anything. You can click on OK. Now here is your file 6.4. In 6.4, this file is found. Okay, so it's automatically attached with your GNS3. Only you need to upload this image. You need to click on import. You need to select and click on import. Here you can define the location. The location is 40 guard VM64 folder. Here you can get a file 40os.qcow2. Click on open. Now it's uploading. Now see, if you expand your 6.4 again, see everything is fine. The image is found and what MT30G QCOW2 file is found locally. You can click on it. You need to select this option. You need to click on next. Click on yes. Now click on finish. Okay. So now you have your FortiGate. Now you can drag here your FortiGate firewall and you need to select a cloud here. In cloud, you need to select this option, JNS3 VM. You can click on OK. And now I'm trying to select my first port number 1. Remember always we are using port number 1 as a management port. Now you can start. Right click and start. What is the KVM expression cannot be used. It is not possible to turn off KVM for GNS3 on adding what happened. Two minutes, guys. Prashad,
Sir,
please wait 2 minutes. Okay, I'm
sure,
sending
sure.
I'm sending you new image. Okay,
Okay, okay.
wait, I'm downloading. Give me 5 minutes. Guys, you want to know how to download images? Guys, can you hear me?
Yes.
How to download images? So,
Wait.
Prashad, can you please stop share your screen only for 2 minutes? Okay.
Sure.
So, if you guys, if you want to download any image, new images, updated image, so you need to open what support.fortinet.com. You need to go on support.fortinet.com. Here, you need to register yourself. Once you registered, you can click on login. In login, you can define your username and password. You can click on login. Once you log in, then here you need to click on support. You need to click on VM images. In VM images, select the product. So product is what? FortiGate firewall, and platform is KVM. I'm trying to download 6.c. You have latest version, you have earlier version. So I'm trying to download 6.2. Any version you can download. If you click here, so you can get two options. Upgrade from previous version you can download, or new deployment of FortiGate firewall. So we are selecting what? New deployment of FortiGate firewall. You can click on download. Clear, guys, how to download images? Everyone?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now,
Done, sir.
Shad, you can share your screen. You can share your screen and give me your email ID. Prashad,
Yes, sir.
chat window, give me your email ID. Everyone, please share your email ID. Sanjay, Abdullah, Khalil,
Okay, sir.
share your email ID. I can send updated image. Sanjay, your email ID is incorrect. Please send again.
सर मैं सेंड कर चुका हूँ एक बार लास्ट टाइम, अभी देखिए
Okay.
चेक कीजिए सर।
Okay, Prashad, please check your email ID and download this image. Click on this link. Agree, agree. Download. Okay, Prashad, can you
Yes, sir.
please allow my remote control request?
Sure, sure.
Thank you. Okay, Prashad,
Sir,
do one thing. See, the problem is here KVM support available false. Okay, let me try to solve this. Prashad, plug in your charger.
okay, okay, sir.
Okay, now see guys, Khalil, Abdullah, Sanjay, Prashad.
Yes.
Yes,
See
sir.
now KVM support is what? True. Okay.
Yes.
So if
Okay.
you face a problem here a false, so you need to go on GNS3 setting. First you need to turn off this, and in processor you need to select both option virtualization Intel VT VTX. Okay, and this option. Once you enable, now it's true. You can minimize this. Now let's start our GNS3 application again. Perfect. Okay, Prashad, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Now it's booting. It will take time. Do see you can upload 2 more images in GNS3, Prashad.
Yes, sir.
You need to upload this. Wait, this one 3725 image for router. So if you
Okay.
want to upload it, you need to click on edit preferences and click here iOS router new. Run this iOS in GNS3 VM. Select this option. Next, where is image? Image is here GNS3 VM 3725. Next, Rishad,
Yes, sir.
can you close this? On my side, mouse is not working.
From my side also
It's a
hanging.
it's a hang, right?
Yes.
I think hang. Okay. try to try to upgrade image RAM. Okay,
Sure, sure.
I think it's hang. Okay, no problem. Khalil,
Yes,
Abdullah,
sir.
Sanjay, is that clear,
Yes, sir.
guys? For Prashad lab setup.
Sir, I have set up my lab. By the problem with me, whenever I click on the console, it appears the screen with blank, nothing appear, only blank screen.
Then you need to delete the image and upload new one, which I shared with you, right? Okay, a new one.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, Khalil.
Yeah, okay, I will try that. and
Problem
tell
is
you.
with problem is in an image, so you need to
Okay.
upload new one. So
Okay,
Prashad,
clear.
Khalil, Sanjay,
Yes,
Abdullah.
sir.
Yes.
Okay, so this is your lab setup, guys. I think now we don't have time for topic. Can we continue tomorrow? Our
Yeah.
new topic.
Okay, okay, no problem, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, Prashad. I think it's hang. Okay, you need to restart your laptop.
Sure, sure.
Okay, now it's working fine. Okay.
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 Bye bye, guys. Take care. Good night.
Bye.
Thank you.
Let's
Bye.
continue tomorrow, same time. Sorry.
Can you share previous lecture? I wasn't attend. I couldn't attend. I was at work.
Give me 10 minutes max.
All right. All right. Thank you.
Okay, Abdullah. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye.